bought it for 350, sold it for 350, and I still owe 100. Well, I have to work it off, so I still owe $100 for working it out. So I didn't make nothing on it, so I still owe that $100. But make the kid happy, he's happy, that's why. Mom was suspension of Kello or Carol or whatever.
I'm not good at models.
And that guy replaced the shock on it. Gas shock on it, or air shock. On your front wheel. You loosen that up and it has a slot pipe up that long, and you just slid it up to the top and you lock it there, and that locks the shock in. That's why the guy didn't like it. You know, and he rides pretty hard, so he bought a new specialized. But he had it.
It's one of those you have to watch 2 or 3 times before you completely get it. It's supposed to be really dumb.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
and it's actually very well done. You know,
I can't bring myself to watch the Napoleon Dynamite. Everybody raves about how great that was. I watched it once. I'm like, that was bad. The movie was just bad. But so many people say they just love that movie. Everybody's got these quotes. Napoleon Dynamite is this goofy kid. It's about him going to school. Does the stupid dance at the end.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Birthday?
No thanks. Yours sounds better.
Well, Rob, is there anything you want me to do?
Yeah, I'll throw people out there.
Throw a life preserver.
Yeah, right? Paddle out there in the boat.
You should start pushing the rain jackets, bring them in there, you know.
Yeah. Rain jacket for sale.
Yeah, rain jackets.
That's what we should be down on the corner, halfway down the running races today. Rain jackets for sale.
I used to love doing running races in the rain.
Bike jackets.
Yeah.
Well, don't tell me that. I'm going to Clarkson University. $48,000. Yeah, which means I only have to come up with $24,000.
Well, it's got some mounts for it here.
As easy as that sounds, I am actually struggling.
Why don't you come down? Take a look.
He's going to be
Yeah, they're ready to go. Yeah, it's drizzling, but it's not like a downpour. I mean, I don't even have a raincoat on. Yeah, I got a hat on. That's like, I'm okay. So it's not a downpour. And there's several bikes to look at, so come on down. All right, bye.
Yeah, also inside.
Right, you're also inside.
I was outside for a minute, but then I got smart. You went outdoors.
You guys are back again.
We got the last one. Third trip.
It's just a tag sale. Bring your
Yeah,
bike with you, and then fill out a little form, tag it, you don't have to hang around. And you trying to sell or buy? Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I did that, I guess. Did you move them or?
No, I left it. Yes, I moved them.
I didn't. I thought I was at the end where I stuck them in. But you were heading that way.
There were a couple left.
Try to shoot for the second Sunday of the month, but there should be something in the news guide.
Okay. Second Sunday of the month will be the Burton Long Trail graduation weekend.
Probably good weekend not to have
weekend. Yeah, that's one thing. It's the car show weekend.
Yeah.
June, everything falls in this town.
Are you on 22A proper or like paralleling it? Anyway?
No, that's pretty much. There's not a lot of side. It'd be a really small side road.
Yeah, it seemed like, I mean, there's cars on it, but it seemed like it would be safe to ride on.
Yeah, I've ridden that. They actually have a big benefit ride for these Castle thing goes up here. There's a big loop.
All on the main roads?
Well, they're side roads. I mean, the main road from north is actually 7.
Yeah, no, 7, I figured that this seemed kind of like a...
30 goes straight north there.
That's all right to ride on?
Yeah.
Alright.
The time to drive it, I usually leave here, go 30 to 22A, and it actually gets faster because you avoid Rutland and Middlebury, and you skip all the.
Yeah, well, if you don't need to go to Rutland, yeah, it's definitely faster.
No, yeah, we were thinking it'd be a exceedingly long day, but it seemed doable. I think South Burlington was about 110.
It's less than an inconvenience than having to fight for a walk.
Right. Okay.
You know, put a lock, and locks keep you on people out there.
That's true.
You know, an ambitious soul will figure a way to bust through things.
That's true. Should probably just put it in here or something.
Yeah. And how she's on a third floor
Yeah.
dorm room.
Should carry it. Awesome. Very, very happy. Thank you.
Hey, I'm glad you guys were able to get the deals you got. It worked out really well.
Purple, black is purple.
That was cool.
I did know that. Pretty left before
How quickly we forget. Don't give me that look.
That's I don't need help looking foolish. I don't need help reminding you. I know you
just
will. I
you
appreciate
decide
that.
that. It's just this was just
If no one else was
stop.
around.
No, I know.
All right, there you go. Good luck. You're gonna get a little wet. Kickstand will actually be nice at school though.
Yeah, well, you will when you have a curvature of your spine. Yeah, but I'm gonna ride it to flat, like literally from my house to flat.
Hello.
How you doing?
Help ya?
Okay, I'm gonna think about it.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah,
Everything is over here.
Yeah, we don't need to go to lunch.
Yeah, they just came off the long trail, so
Oh, good for you
we're
guys.
going for beer and burgers.
Oh,
Very important.
yeah. Go too long without that stuff, you know.
Let's go crazy.
Yeah.
I was having dreams about cheeseburgers.
Yeah, I'm sure you
It
were.
was only 8 days. I was having dreams about it.
Milkshakes, cheeseburgers.
Milkshakes, cheeseburgers.
fries.
Cheeseburgers with
Like
paradise.
steak.
Like before I went to Romania, I had a bacon double cheeseburger because I thought I'll never eat food like that again.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
We'll
How
probably
late are you
still be
open?
here. The swap goes on until about 4 o'clock this afternoon.
Okay, great.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.